Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my forecast I will have mentioned that the gold price dropped to the 4,100. So last week gold price dropped to the 4,100 level. So if you didn't watch, go through there, watch that video. This is the pattern I am seeing in next week. This is the forward chart technically picture. So this is the triangle pattern. Price can be break out to the upside like this or break out to the downside like this. This is the two options since next week. Upside target 4,220, below target is the 4,309 950. So FOMC meeting is the big event in next week. So FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve interest rate decision. So is the next week big event that will decide the gold price where to go. So last week, so CPI data release on Friday. So you can see 2.9% is the previous one. Federal Reserve American Central Bank forecast to increase to 3.1%. But CPI yearly report, inflation yearly report increased to 3%. So not increase to forecast 1. So forecast to 3%, but increase from the previous one. So last Friday, you can see the gold price again demand. So reason is the inflation not increased to forecast from the central banks 3.1% forecast, but not increased to 3.1%. Actual figure is the 3%. That will help to gold price again demand on last Friday New York session. You can see the price demand on last Friday. So but this is the interesting thing is the still inflation increased. Previous figure is the 2.9%. So actual is the 3%. Still inflation increased. So 2% is the Fed inflation target not reached. So you can see the next FOMC meeting on next Wednesday. Fed forecast to cut the rate in 25 bps. Sorry. So this is the Fed Watch Tool website. So this shows the how much interest rate cut price into the market. You can see the October FOMC meeting 98%. Rate cut off 25 bps cut off price into the market. So this 25 bps cut off already price into the market now. So if cut the rate in 25 bps next week, that will not help to dollar sell off because of this rate cut off already sentiment already priced into the market 98% mean almost 100%. So with the next FOMC meeting next week rate cut off, I am thinking not dollar sell off. So like this not happen with the FOMC meeting FED conference. Powell hawkish tones can be dollar strength and collect the liquidity like this. So upside liquidity can be collect and the gold price can be dropped to the below side. 3,950 is the below level first level target because of the this is the your sell opportunity. This is the target because of rate cut off already priced into the market. So if cut the rate Fed forecast to 25 bps cut off, it has already now priced into the market. With this rate cut off not dollar sell off. So I am thinking so FOMC Fed's conference is the important with the Fed conference dollars strength with the hawkish tone. So dollar demand gold can be dropped to the below side. So Fed watch tool next December FOMC meeting is interesting there. So there's a 2 FOMC meetings coming in this year. You can see the this price forecast. You can see the December FOMC meeting 8%, 8.8% rate post price in. So this post price into the market. So 10%, 15% like this. This can be a dollar demand and gold drop to the below side like this. So next week interesting thing is the FOMC meeting and the FOMC Fed conference. What is Jerome Powell saying and the hawkish or dovish tones you should touch with if you are trading gold. So gold price where to go. with decide with the next week FOMC meetings. So can be like this or the drop to the below side. So other side is the Donald Trump. He pushed to the cut the rate, and the US government shutdown is still continuing. So this happens support to the gold price, demand to the upside. So still US government shutdown is continuing. So that's the FX Street website mentioned. Gold rebounds after softer US CPI data reinforces Fed cut bets. So US government shutdown is still in the market uncertainty. So this uncertainty is the gold demand help. So this is the daily chart. You can see last Tuesday big red candle, bearish candle. So buyers take profit from this high price level because of US China trade tension drop. So trade tension drop with the negotiate with the China. So Donald Trump's comments I was mentioned my last week video. So that will help to take profit buyers from the gold price, and gold big drop from the new all-time high price from last week. So that was the main reason for this big red candle was created last week. So I am thinking sellers continuing to sell gold next week because of FOMC meeting. I am thinking with the dollar strength, dollar can be strength with the FOMC meeting. So let's see what will happen on. So this is the 1 hour chart. What is the interesting technically levels? This is the pattern. Gold price in now in the triangle pattern. So you can see this triangle pattern. So this is the 1 hour chart technical picture. To triangle pattern, you should wait for this triangle pattern breakout. So wait for the breakout. So this can be breakout to the upside or like this, but this is the not breakout is the you can't trade with the breakout. You should see the price actions in here. So price action, candlestick action, and in here to get the trade with the combined with the fundamentals, economic data, what are the going on. This is just a technically I am seeing. This is the pattern I am seeing here in the triangle pattern, gold trading in here. So I am going to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. So you can see the after few weeks green candle, last week was the created red candle. So that means buyers, sellers are now active. So I am thinking selling gold can be continuing next week also. 3,950 can be a next level sell target, but you should wait for the confirmation with the FOMC meeting. What is the Federal Reserve saying on the Fed conference? This is the monthly chart. Still buyers dominant. So green candles is there. So I am seeing next week some sellers can be dominant in here. I am thinking next month can be happen like this. So this is the Forex Factory latest news. You can see this new Trump tariff ban by Bernanke and the Yellen in Supreme Court filing. So Bernanke is the former Federal Reserve chairperson. So they are banned to tariffs. So tariffs are not illegal. So they are in the Supreme Court. So tariff ban in next few weeks that can be happen to the gold drop to the below side. So tariff is the main reason for the gold demand. So it can be banned. So can be gold drop to the below side. Again gold safe haven demand drop like this. So you should touch with this interesting things in Donald Trump. What is he doing? So you can join with my Telegram link, gold trading.